Well, thank you, Mrs. Mallory, for offering to do us a review on Advanced Heating and Plumbing. Can I ask how long you've used Advanced Heating and Plumbing?
We've used them for 5 years now.
And how do you find our services?
Excellent.
Would you say they're value for money?
Definitely.
And you would recommend us for a friend?
I would recommend them to anybody, yes.
And what have you had done by us in the past?
We've had our boiler system all fitted, and then we get it regularly serviced.
Well, thank you very much, and we look forward to giving you much more business in the future. Thank you very much, Ms. Mallory. And you're from Watford, are you?
Watford.
Yes, perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.